In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Monday.com. We're going to walk through the process of creating and filling out a form inside a Monday.com board in a simple, practical way. If you want to collect information in a more organized format, forms are a great tool because they let you turn board columns into easy to complete fields. To begin, open Monday.com and click on any board where you want the form to live. This is the board that will receive the information submitted through the form, so make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on. Once you're inside the board, look at the tab area near the top and click the plus icon. This is where you can add a new view or feature to the board. When the options appear, click on Form. Monday.com will then create a form view connected to that board, which means anything submitted through the form can be tracked directly in your workflow. Next, type in the form name. Give it a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later. A good form name helps anyone using it understand its purpose right away, especially if your board contains multiple views. After naming the form, choose a category. This field helps classify the submission, so select the option that best matches the type of request or record you're entering. Using categories consistently can make sorting and filtering much easier later. Then set the transaction date. This is useful for keeping accurate records and making sure each submission is tied to the correct timeline. Be careful to choose the right date, especially if your team relies on date-based tracking, so reporting. From there, choose a priority. This helps indicate how urgent or important the submission is. Setting priority correctly can help your team know what needs attention first and what can wait. Next, type in the amount. Enter the value carefully and double check it before continuing. Since amounts often affect reporting, budgeting, or approvals, accuracy here is especially important. After that, set the payment status. Choose the option that reflects the current status as accurately as possible. This makes it easier to understand whether the item has already been handled or still needs follow-up. Finally, once everything has been reviewed, click on Submit. That sends the completed form information into the Monday.com board, where it can be managed, tracked, and updated as needed. And that's how to use forms in Monday.com. As a final tip, always take a quick moment to review each field before submitting so your board stays clean, accurate, and easy to work with.